In this video, I'll show you how you can add a QR code to your Excel document. Now, first off, what you want to do is you want to open up Developer up here. Now, if you don't see Developer, you can right click on Help, customize the ribbon, and on the right side, check the Developer. Press OK, and you will have Developer up here. Now then what you want to do is press on Add-ins, go to Store, and search for QR code, press enter, and find QR for Office. You want to press the Add button, and once you've done that, you want to press Add-ins again, My Add-ins, click on the QR for Office, and press Add. Now on the right hand side, this will open up, and what you want to do is type in a URL. It can be anything. Let's say you wanted to head over to google.com, or you can copy a URL and paste it in here. Then what you want to do is simply press Insert, select a block somewhere. Let's say I want it right here, Insert, and it will now have the QR code. You can customize it, the size, the colors, and everything, but that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.